Hello friends, it's KB here back to you with a new video this week. And this week it's not an abstract topic, rather it is one of the most topical subjects these days. And today's topic, as you can see in the thumbnail, it's lockdown blues. Make your own days. So let's start a journey of making own days in this lockdown at home, with full of enjoyment throughout the day, full of involvement throughout the day, without getting depressed and getting lifted your moods. So let's start with today's video, friends. Friends, cause of making this video, my episode 6, is that I am hearing that many of my age, I am of age 16, many of my age, my sister's age who is of 9, are suffering from depression these days. Children are suffering from depression. No studies, no homework like that, no such prototype, go and do that class, go and do that, only resting, chatting with family. Why then depression also? My video is to make those children smile, make them happy. There may be some fault in the grooming of those children. Maybe they have only studied in the normal days, they only live outside, outdoors, and only are just accustomed with the outdoor world, not habituated living inside the four walls. This video is dedicated to make their moods lift, to show you some ways how to lift their moods, as I and my sister do practice these days and are very benefited naturally. So let's start with the friends. If you are getting bored at home, like making dalgona coffee, reading Dan Brown or R.L. Stevenson cannot make you happy, let's try out these 4 easy steps in order to make your days happy, more involved, and your moods lifted. Reprogram the thought bank. Friends, in this process, the step 1, reprogram your thought bank, you have to reshape your brain in order to reshape your day, because it's all mind stuff, dude. So in order to do it, first of all, chalk out whatever negative or ill or depressive thoughts you have, such as so boring lockdown, what will I do, WFH goals, oh I am very sad, blah 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 thoughts, and just kick them out of your mind. Then in the next step, you arrange your positive thoughts in the chronological order, from the past to the day before yesterday, today, few hours ago, 1 hour ago, at this moment. And so you have now arranged your mind data and ready to accept more positive thoughts, which will automatically bring about more positive involvements, more space for positive involvements in your mind. And thus you are now ready for the next steps. Expand your dynasty. Friends, expand your dynasty. Oh, no, you are not Alexanders. You are asked to expand the dynasty of your thoughts, the dynasty of your imagination, how large it is, how vast it can go. Think as much as you can, but remember only positive thoughts, such as my sister was telling this evening that what would it happen if pen or pencils are in some other planet in the universe, right? I was also thinking what it would be, and I was really excited. And I was also thinking that how could I shorten the lockdown days if I could have invented a time machine. Some social media jokes also say that if we make a fake promise in the name of coronavirus, will it die? So we are just thinking positive, we are just being light, and there is nothing bad in this. Start thinking, start imagining more and more, and you will fill your time with positive imaginations, positive vibrations, and then you will never feel depressed anymore. Start imagining from this very moment. Creation time. As you have expanded the dynasty of your imaginations, will you stop here only? Would not create nothing. If you can just draw, okay, wait. Can you draw scribble? I am sure every one of us do it in the corners of the page, right? So draw even a scribble if you can. Imagine of us how much unique types of scribble you can draw. You don't have to be Da Vinci. Don't wait for being Da Vinci in drawing. If you want to sing a song, go in the bathroom, sing la la la. However you sing, don't just run after being any famous singer. No, sing from your heart. But remember, don't disturb your neighbors because they haven't seen my video still. And if you have just accidentally disturbed, please make them see my video also. Okay? Just create whatever you can. No limitations. You don't have to be perfect in that. Creation just comes from heart. Heartily create anything and you will feel very good. You will not feel depressed. You can create a dance and name it self-embroidery. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, and just enjoy on the beats. No need to be perfect. No need to be efficient in anything. Your inner talent will just pop out in this occasion. He will see, oh, he is finding his own talent. He is imagining. He or she is imagining. Let me come out. And you will just suddenly see, oh, it's my talent. Do this. Try this in the lockdown days. You will get out of boredom, and also you will just see one of your talents, some of your talents in those things you thought, oh, I cannot do, and just refused. This will make you find out your talents and also pass your time in a very positive manner and just get out from the lockdown blues. Start positive visualizations. Do you think that you already do the very things that I have quoted in this video? Then I have something new for you, my friends. It's positive affirmation, positive visualization. If you think of a greater you, of a better you, see your goals being achieved in front of your eyes, materialize with your mind stuff, how it would be. We all have a life ahead. Maybe it is as small as a moment or as long as 8 years, 90 years, or even a century also. So we should use the gift of a very powerful mind, which is more powerful, far more powerful than the Infinity Gauntlet. And if we channelize our thoughts and make them aligned to our goals, make them ready to be fulfilled, see in front of our eyes our goals being fulfilled, it is as powerful or far more powerful than the snap of the Infinity Gauntlet. Friends, start thinking of a greater and better you in front of your eyes. See that your goals are being fulfilled. You have achieved your goals at the present moment. They are not dreams anymore. Scream to yourself, look, I am here. And this will surely change your lockdown days, change the vibration of your lockdown days. If you were enjoying it in a moderate level, okay, enjoying, feel good. This feel good will turn and make into feel very, very good. You will be more confident, more focused, more competent also. And when the lockdown days will be over, when you go outdoor, you will breathe in air with more confidence. you will take a step with more confidence, my friends. Remember the word more confidence. So please start this positive visualization in this very lockdown. You may keep a diary for that purpose. Write your boundless visualizations, but please do so and you will surely be benefited. I am also doing that and I am greatly benefited. So friends, please do so. Friends, again today I am not giving a fact bite as a supplementary. I am giving a link in the description which you can check out to see what type of weird depressional psychological problems the children are facing in this lockdown. They are struggling with their minds, and so my friends, I am saying please, if you are here in this moment seeing my video and just have scrolled over, please just go back and you see the video again and again. You will be really benefited. And friends, I wanna tell you a secret. This link is a teaser of my next video. Yes, next video will be on such another topic and again on lockdown and human brain. If you like my video, please give it a like, give some comments how you had been benefited by this video, and please subscribe my channel. It's KB here for more such videos. So friends, today I am ending here and I will come up with a new video next week and make you enjoy again. So see you friends.